next pattern is going to be a traveling step with an inside underarm turn. Traveling step with an inside underarm turn. That means the left open box, the left turning box, and just kind of keep traveling on the outside partner. So let's go and get started and demonstrate this. All right. So pose position, starting with your left foot, gentlemen. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Notice that we extended that so that way you can actually see it close up after the turn. So let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. So again, it's about trying to get around the room, around the space, and making sure that you stay with that outside partner, give her an inside turn. Ladies, don't think too hard about that one, just kind of flow with it, okay? So I'm going to put my back to you this time. Notice I start in front of her. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me jump back on this side again. Go practice this one. Have a good time. It's a great, cool pattern to put into your repertoire, all right? Practice individually or together. Either way works, okay? Be right back for the next pattern.